A tree in which the fruits, seeds, leaves, stems, and bark contain diverse phytochemicals that serve as insecticide. What a fantastic tree it is! Introducing neem tree as a Directa indica of the family Meliaceae. Neem tree is a medium-sized tree to 15 meters tall with wide spreading branches forming an oval crown. Neem tree is native to Burma and parts of India. It was recently introduced to the Philippines as a reforestation species and is still not widespread. It grows well even in dry, stony, or clayey soil and does not require frequent watering. Its fruits and seeds are the source of neem oil. Neem fruits, seeds, leaves, stems, and bark contain diverse phytochemicals, some of which were first discovered in Azadirachta seed extract, such as azadirachtin, established in the 1960s as an insect antivedant, growth disruptor, and insecticide. Neem tree and its ingredients have therapeutic implications and have been traditionally used worldwide, especially in the Indian subcontinent since ancient times. Clinical-based studies confirm that neem tree plays a pivotal role in the prevention of various diseases because of its anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, antimicrobial, antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, antimalarial, and anti-nephrotoxicity properties. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.